All right, we're about to go over our vowel sounds. Can you raise your hand and tell me all of our vowels? All righty, let's see. Shadasia, go for it. A. What else? E. I. O. U.
Sometimes Y.
Oh, look at that baby girl. And sometimes Y. All right, I will need a short A word, and then we're going to do a long A word, and vice versa, all the way through our vowel sounds. Okay, who has a short A word for me? All right, Madison.
Apple.
Apple, I like it. Kim, long A. 8, good job. Do you all agree?
Yeah.
Okay. Short E. All right, Steven. Egg. Long E, Jason E.
Eagle.
Eagle. All right, I like these words. Short I, Mr. Cameron.
Igloo.
All right, igloo. Okay. Long I, Jamal.
Ice.
Ice, I like it. Short O, or Maya.
Dog.
Dog. All righty. Long U, Jalen.
Unicycle.
Okay, do you know how to ride a unicycle? All right, and my Y sometimes says I. Give me a long I word. Shadasia?
My.
My.